The 2026 BMW X5 combines elegance and innovation for those who demand more. Its adaptive LED headlights provide enhanced illumination, perfect for night driving, while the iconic glow kidney grille adds a touch of sophistication and ensures you stand out wherever you go. Step inside to find the Harman Kardon surround sound audio for an immersive listening experience and live Cockpit Pro with head-up display for seamless navigation. We are a family-run, independent business and the largest approved used retailer on the South Coast and offer 12-month unlimited mileage warranty. Call or visit Partridge BMW today to schedule your test drive of the 2026 BMW X5. Speak to our team about an extended warranty, paint protection, and tyre and alloy protection for complete peace of mind.